a short little video of the 1960 Austin Healey 3000. Wonderful British sports car. And this one is in immaculate condition. I've got the tonneau pulled back so we can take a look at the interior. Instrumentation, upholstery, seats. What a car. I'll try to stay out of the picture if I can. The second most beautiful sports car out of the UK in the 50s and 60s. I think that few would disagree that the Jaguar E-Type is probably going to be number one, but this Healey is a very close second. Like I said, short video. Hope you liked it.